Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher Tampa 1. In this tutorial, I am going to show you the process of installing Android 14 Tequilia OS on your Xiaomi Note 9 Pro device. Here you can see I have successfully installed this Android 14 custom ROM on my Xiaomi Note 9 Pro device. You also will be able to install and run this custom ROM on your device also from following this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, first of all you need to unlock your bootloader and install a custom recovery on your Xiaomi Note 9 Pro device before going to the installation process of any custom ROM. If you don't know the way of unlocking bootloader or installing a custom recovery on your device, you can refer to the videos that I have included in the description of this video to unlock your bootloader and install a custom recovery on your Xiaomi Note 9 Pro device. In the process of unlocking bootloader or installation of a custom ROM, your device will be fully formatted. So due to that, you need to take a full backup of the internal memory of your phone and all files. Otherwise, your device will be formatted during the installation of the custom ROM and you will lose all the files which included on your phone. So before going to do this, you need to take a full backup. After that, you need to download the custom ROM file from the given link in the description of this video, and you need to place that custom ROM file into the external memory of your phone like this. You can see I have already pasted my custom ROM files into my external storage. Then we can turn off our device and boot into custom recovery for install this custom ROM. Okay friends, now you need to click on your power button and volume up key together till your device got into the recovery mode. Now click on this bit icon and select dynamic cache, metadata and data partitions, and click on this sweep to wipe option. This will permanently wipe these partitions. Now here you need to go back to your micro SD card and you need to select the file that you have pasted here. In here I am going to install this Tequilia custom ROM on my Xiaomi Note 9 Pro device. Now click on save to install option and wait till completing of the installation process of this custom ROM. After completing of this installation process of the custom ROM, don't click on this reboot system option and you need to click on the back button. Then you need to click on this bin icon once again and go to this format data option. Here you need to type yes to format your internal memory. Without doing this, you won't be able to boot into your new system. Now click on right icon. Then you can click on reboot option. Here you need to wait till the completing of the booting process of your new custom ROM. Okay guys, here you can see we have successfully installed this custom ROM on our Xiaomi Note 9 Pro device. With that, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.